Tener buena pinta. Tener buena pinta. This means to look good or promising. It also could mean to look really good. It's just an expression to say that something looks good, promising, or that you really like it. This phrase is mainly used in Spain, but it's also common in Latin America. Isn't that interesting? It's a super common phrase that you can use in everyday conversations. Tener means to have. Buena, good. Pinta. Pinta can mean appearance. So essentially you're literally saying to have good appearance or to have a good look. Now let's look at some examples using this phrase. The first example is: La película tiene buena pinta. La película tiene buena pinta. This means the movie looks good, looks really good, looks promising. That's what this means. So let's break this down. La means the. It's a feminine definite article. Película means movie. La película, the movie. This is feminine because this is a feminine noun. Tiene buena pinta. Tiene is the verb tener conjugated, of course. And when you say tiene buena pinta, it means looks good. You can even say tiene buena pinta by itself, and you're technically saying it looks good. Okay? So that is very, very interesting. Let's look at another example using tener buena pinta. Este proyecto tiene buena pinta. Este proyecto tiene buena pinta. This means this project looks promising. Okay? Or looks good, looks really good. Essentially, you like the project. Este means this. This is masculine, by the way. You can say esta. That also means this, but it's feminine. Why is this one masculine? Because we have a masculine noun, proyecto. El proyecto. This is masculine. Este proyecto means this project. Tiene buena pinta. This means looks promising. If you want to use this phrase, you need to know how to conjugate the verb tener. Tener. Now you know tener buena pinta means to look good, to look very good, or to be promising. Share more examples using tener buena pinta. You can leave them in the comment section down below. Like this video if you enjoyed it. If you learned some Spanish. Nos vemos a la próxima. Adiós. See you next time. Bye. I want to give a big shout out to our Cafecito members: Christopher Michael, Ruby Brockenberry, Brianna L, Michael Lee, Regulation D, Hanko Juan, Christine Mache, Washti Bader, Formula Air, JSE, and Alan K. If you want to support this channel and buy me a cup of coffee, please check out the Cafecito membership by clicking on the join button down below. Muchas gracias.